displaying the multiple pages one after other. So the content is something like this. Okay, in that our target is to when the user will click on the first hyperlink, when the user will click either home, about, contact, login, register, service, product, anywhere, wherever the user will click, that particular page should appear under the white block. The white block is the section that is the main action area. User will click anywhere, action will happen somewhere else, and response will come somewhere else. So user will click on about, contact, login, register, and the page will appear under the middle section. Okay, so hope this design is ready, and we are going to again do some changes in that. Okay, so open your file, example2.html file, that is the study we have made. Okay, so file hope you opened. Now in this file, we have multiple frame tag. So using frame tag, what you did, you have loaded the page, like header is a separate file, info is a separate file, left is a separate file, welcome, footer, these all are the separate file. But these all files we are loading under the respective area using their which property, src property. Okay. Now HTML says, right, when you have the multiple pages. So when the user will click on any link, which page do you want to reload entire page? If you are going to reload entire page, then always this helpline number remains same, today update remains same, navigation remains same, footer remains same. The content will change under the middle block. So if the some certain blocks are same, content is same, and the content is going to change under the particular area, then why to reload entire section? Entire page no need to reload. We can load a certain block, and after that, after loading the certain block, like what will happen is loading the certain block, you can say when we click here, particular block will get loaded. Whenever we click here, the certain block is going to change, not entire page. Let's go now. Whichever the frame we have used, we are going to apply a unique name to every frame. We have to apply a unique name to every frame. So suppose for frame we have, in that we have given info. We'll write here name for this frame, like name for this particular area as a maybe block 1, a small block 1, right, without a space. Block 1. Okay. A small block 1, right. After writing that, come to the second from. There also you write name equal to block 2. Block 2. Name should be unique. If name will be duplicate, your browser will be confused. Now left we have, for that give name equal to block 3. We have one more, name equal to block 4. Block 4. We have one more footer, name equal to block 5. Name equal to block 5. So indirectly for every sections, indirectly for every section, we have to give a name. For every section we have to give a name. Ready? Now for every section we give him the name. So how many blocks we have to know? 5 blocks. Block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5. Okay. Now let's look. User will click under the header file. That is called this block. This one. This is called header. So for this we are given the name as a block 2. Sequence you can see from beginning. Sequence. The block 1 is pointing to info file. Block 2 is pointing to header file. So user will click under the navigation, that is under the block 2. Now where we want to change the content, left part should remain same. No changes under the left block. Footer also no changes. We want to change the content under the block 4. There by default, which file is loading? Welcome file. Okay, by default there, welcome file is loading. Our requirement is when we click on header in any menus, that meaning user is going to click under the block 2. When he will click anywhere under the block 2, the content should change under the block 4. Okay, then only remaining page will be same. Right? So we have given the name here. Now here nothing. This much is enough. Okay. This much is enough. Just make sure block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5 are given. In that block 1, block 2, block 3, block 5 is not required. Only we are going to work with the block 4. Okay, only we are going to deal with the block 4. For what purpose? To send the request or hyperlink click. Wherever we click, we are going to do now remaining next. So hope you have written. Open the header file, header.html. Open the header file, header.html. In a header file, you can see multiple th we have given directly. Home, about, contact, login, register, all we have given. We have not given anywhere hyperlink. Hyperlinks are not given anywhere. Okay? So we have to do that as a hyperlink. We have to link all. Okay. So first let's go and apply the link tag inside the th. What is the link tag? href equal to, keep as a empty by default, and close the a tag after the home. Do for one. First do for one. Home. Proper a tag open and close for home menus. Correct? Next, after this a tag you copy and paste everywhere in front of all the a tag, all the text. Like all the text must be under the a tag. First, you do the open part everywhere because already it is written. So first you do the open of E tag everywhere. Then we will do the closing part. Open, do from beginning to last. Then we'll come to the closing point. Hope A tag is open from beginning. Yes. Now matter is your closing. Close the A tag again. Close the A tag everywhere after the text. Closing must be there after the text everywhere. Okay, I will give some sufficient space. Will be helpful for you to see that. Given here, complete enough space, so it will feel like yes, all are open and all are closed. All are open and all are closed. So when we click on product, product page has to come. When we click on login, login page has to come. According to click, the pages has to load. Let's go here now. When we click on home, welcome file has to come. Welcome.html should load. When we click on about us, about.html will load. When we click on contact, contact.html will load. When we click on login, login.html will load. Register.html will load. Service.html will load. Product.html will load. Okay, give the name everywhere. Okay, so hyperlink given everywhere. Now the next matter is, we have discussed in example 2 file, user will click in header file, And content should go to which block? Block 4. Content should go to the block 4. Which file is already under the block 4? Welcome file. So when we click on about us, about should come. When you click on contact us, contact should come. So page will load now also, but our page should load to that block. Which block? Block 4. Block 4. Look at here. Page should load under which block? Block 4, right? So we'll add just one property here called target. T-A-R-G-E-T, target. Target equal to the name of the block where you want your page should load. Now target property, what it will do? As soon as you give target equal to 4, target equal to block 4, your compiler will search first. Once you click on link, compiler will search first, where is the block 4? If the block 4 is exist, then whichever the file is available under the block 4, replaced by current file. Okay, so under the block 4, by default welcome is there. When we click on home, welcome will come. But if you click on about, what will happen is about us will come under the same block. At a time, whichever the link you click, that particular page will appear over there. So this target property, you are going to apply everywhere. Target equal to block 4, block 4, block 4, and block 4. So page will open. When we click, the page will open. But where it will open? It will open under the block 4. So write it. Even I will share this code. It look little complex at the beginning level, but we have to put little focus to understand. Now this TR to TR, I can share you. TR to TR will come to your channel. So we are ready. Now check your file again. Refresh it. Hyperlink is coming. If you click on any hyperlink, it will say page not found under the middle section, but home will work because welcome file is exist. Remaining files are not exist, so it will say page not found. Waiting the reply from your side. Is it something similar or something else? Code I have shared as well. You can check in case error. You can use that existing code I have shared you. Ready? Yes, no, something like this. When you click on hyperlink, is that page is loading in the middle? When you click on any hyperlink, if error is there, I can guide you. We have modified under the example2 file, we have given the target. At least one target, you have written name equal to block 4. Then based on that, everything will work. Only one is required. Okay, then I will move next. We will create the next file, that is about.html, and we'll see about is loading or not. So let us go. About.html. In the same folder you are creating file, HTML body h1 letters paragraph save it, then click on about us page. The particular link will open, particular page will open. Let me check now about is working or not. The about is coming perfectly. Home is also coming, about is also coming. Correct. Same way we can create next file, contact as well. File name is contact.html. This one. You have to start from HTML everything. HTML body. Contact us. Ready? Write the paragraph. You can add something, some static content, anything. Create all the pages and add some few contents. Okay. So this will load into the contact page. About home contact. If I are loading, similar way, quickly we can create login register. Go ahead. Open close. Body. Next one. Line equal to center. Enter login details. Check now, login page should load. Okay. When we click anywhere, you can say you are always on example2 file. Our URL is always example2 and contents are getting changed here. That is the main feature of your Frameset. Your page is remain same, whereas content got changed. Data came from other file without reloading the. Okay. So I hope you can create two more file, register, service and product. Try quickly. Then we can move for the next. Hmm? Okay. Let us try. .html is not there. Ready? Suppose the page is loading. Login. After that, what you have? One more is register. Let's create quickly. Register.html. So this will become complete lot of pages and very good. Many things together add like as a project. HTML open close. Body open close. Inside body. We can pick the H1. To center. Right inside. All registered. Write a paragraph. Center. Register. Ready? Now we'll check once login is loading, register is loading. And loading. One more file we require quickly. Service and what is next? Service and product. service of services. Available services. Services. Service.html. Okay, next one more file we have. Product. Product.html. Now product. Simple, you can write product list. Product list. Okay, so hope your all pages are ready. Now I will share all the files in chat. If you have not tried, please follow this. This folder will come in your chat in compressed format. That is called HTML frame set folder. Working for Veena and other remaining two. One person is not logged in today. Or maybe something. Not one, two more are there. They are only watching video.
How many times is this question?
Hmm?
How many times?
Next topic is forms. That will be last topic of HTML. After that, we need to merge with the CSS.
Yes. Today, yes.
We'll give you assignment after tomorrow class. Tomorrow we'll design the forms, some page, and then we'll give some photos. You will start working. Okay, ready? So let's go next now. You will create the next folder called HTML forms. HTML forms. HTML forms. Okay. Now we'll open the developer guide, and in that we can make a note for form designing how many tags we have. Come in developer guide, last, right there for form design, how many tags we have. Okay. Form design, how many types of right here list of tags. List of input tags. List of input tags. So first to have called text, where we can collect the alphanumeric number from user. That is called text. Next will be called password, where we can collect from user some kind of encrypted value. Yeah, encrypted value. Encrypted value. Next we have called email. Via that we can collect the email from the user. Let's suppose input type equal to email we write, you can capture the email from the user. Okay, next after that we have called number. Using we can ask the number input from user. It may be mobile number, or it may be pin code, or it may be something. That number we can ask from user. Next after that we have called text, password, email, and number. Then we have next call text area. Text area. So using this, it used to ask. It used to ask multi-line input. Multi-line input from user. It used to ask the multi-line input from user. Right. Next after that, it used to ask multi-line input from user. Next after that we have called select. For what purpose? User can choose option. User can choose option, any option from given. Any option from given. User can choose any option from given. Next, after that, text password number, text password number, text area, select file. Next, we have called file. This is for what purpose? It used to upload. It used to upload file as can be text file, can be image file, can be PDF file, can be Excel file, can be any type of file, any type of file. All type of file we can upload through this. Hmm? Now we have some more still. That is called a radio button. Radio. It is for what purpose? To choose from anyone from the given. Choose anyone. Anyone from given. Example, male, female, gender. Male, female, gender. So from the come down below. Next is called checkbox. Checkbox. User can select one or user can select multiple. User can select one or user can select multiple. User can choose one or many. Text password number, text password, email number, text area, select file, radio, checkbox. Okay. Next, after that, we have one. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 10th we write is submit button. Under the button, we have three types. One is called submit. One is called reset. And one more is called only button. Using this, we can create a form. We can apply some CSS and we can make it better. Okay. Now we will create the next file called example1.html under the form folder. Form we have made one folder. What is the folder name? Folder name is
Forms.
is here forms example HTML form. Under the HTML form folder, we'll create the file example1.html. Under the HTML folder, form HTML form folder, you will create a file called example1.html. Okay, start from HTML, follow the body. Now come inside the body, write h1 HTML forms, HTML forms. Syntax example. Syntax example. Just we are going to learn not forms right. HTML input tags. Input tags. Syntax example. How to create the text box, how to create the password, and many. For that basic syntax example. Ready? Go ahead. Come down. The right one. Text. Right here. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. Now inside that, we will not add anything. We will check this page how it looks. It will give you a normal text box. Once we run the page, it will give a normal text box where we can enter something. Till now, whichever we have learned, all was output tag. Okay, till now, whatever we have learned, all was output tag. Using that, we have displayed the output. Now, what we are going to learn now, this all are for a input tag. Let me see here. Using that, we can ask the input from user. See, text box appear. We can enter the value here. Or input type equal to text. Okay. Come after this. Right, for the password. Here, input type equal to password. Ready? After that, check now how the password is looking. In password, whatever you will enter, you cannot see that it will come as a encrypted by default. Whichever the value we enter into the password, that value will come encrypted. Dot 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 will come here. We enter anything, it will come as a dot dot. That is called as encrypted value as a password. Next, after this, next we can write here call email, but email will not impact better. Write number. Input type equal to number. Input type equal to number. Hope it is taking only number.
Yes, sir.
It will take only number. So it's taking only number. Go next. Next call text password number. After that, email. Input type equal to email. In this, we can't find any difference now, because once we add under the form tag, then email will save a enter at the rate. Okay, but as of now, it will be just like that. It will not ask you anything. It will not, you will not find any difference in that. Go ahead next. You can see all are printed in the same line. Okay. Next we have called text area. Write a H3 text area or multi-line input. Text area you write down below. Text area open close. Text area open close. And check now. In this, are we able to enter the multi-line value? Once we enter multiple line, it will go to the new line automatically. Okay, so it is here.
Yes.
Multi-line input. If you enter anything, it will go to the new line. Here, if you enter anything, it will come to the new line. Text area to ask the multi-line input from user. We can resize also according to need. So from here, next, after that, we have called file. So write one H3 again. File. upload. Type equal to file. Check now. That look like this. Choose. It will give you option to choose a file.
Yes.
Next, after that, we have option for choose file. Hello. Next is 3. To write call checkbox. Checkbox. Input type equal to checkbox. Apple. One more checkbox. One more checkbox. Orange. One more checkbox. Banana. Save. Ready? Save the file. Check now. Multiple checkbox will appear. See, this is called checkbox. Right? This is called as a checkbox. Next, after that, we have radio button H3. Radio button. Input type equal to radio. Your mail. Keep one more for email. Mail and email. But you can select both in this case. Okay, in this case, you can select both directly. Okay, check now. This is like this. You can select both radio button, see, male and female. It's allowing both. Right? We have option. We can limit it. Now come down. What else we have after this? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth one we have something is missing still. Let me see here. Select we have not written. H3 select. Select open. Select close. Option open. Right inside we can write here choose. We can add city name. Bangalore. Mumbai. Pune. Chennai. Ready? Check now. You will see the drop down is coming. Multiple option. You can choose anyone. But this is the basic structure through HTML. It has not any design at all. When this look will get changed, the look will get changed if we apply the CSS on this. Okay, without CSS, look will remain same. Okay, let's go. Come down. Now write another one. X3. We will learn how to select only one radio button. You don't worry on that point. We can write here on buttons. So we have how many types of buttons we have? We have one button. There you can write type equal to submit. Keep text here as a submit only. We have one more type equal to button. You can write directly button. One more is called reset. Type equal to reset. Reset. Button. See now. Button, submit button, reset button. But this button will not help you anything. It is just a design. Functionality we have to write for that. then only it will work. Okay, functionality required for that, then only it will work.
And maybe we will only apply the one.
So we can select both. Go here, no, I'll give option. Write name. Name for both, give common name. Maybe gender, you write. Gender. Here also write name equal to gender. Give same name both the places. Ready? Check now. Are you able to select or multiple? Only one. Only one we can select. So who working for me? Veena and other people. Yasasvi or Yasaswini. Okay. And now what we have to do is, this is the basic syntax we have written. Okay, using this basic syntax, we have to create multiple designs of forms. Okay, where table will be there, hyperlink will be there, table will come, hyperlink will come, and then you can say different color combination. This all input box will come. Okay, so tomorrow we will be creating 4-5 types of pages. Okay, and after creating 4-5 type of pages, you will get idea. Okay, next what to do. Okay, then I will give you some photos. You will work on that. Okay, see you tomorrow. Video.